Hey everybody, Steve from OpenBOM. Say, have you ever been creating or importing data into an OpenBOM catalog and you just didn't get the data imported the way that you wanted? Well, we have too. So we've been working a lot on importing, and I'd like to kind of give you an example here. Got a, I've got a spreadsheet, a bunch of regulators and things. I'm going to import this into OpenBOM as a catalog, and maybe I'm going to update a catalog. Doesn't matter. But I want to focus on the cost column here for a second because this best really displays itself in cost. So, I've got cost, and maybe my cost column is just text, or maybe it's currency, or maybe it's something else, a mixture. So I've got some cost values here, like this one here, $64.22, no dollar sign. Here I've got the dollar sign. Maybe down here I've got a comma that maybe here I've got some extra spaces. Just my data is just kind of loosely or poorly formatted. May or may not really look like currency, but maybe it comes out of some translator or something else with that setting. I want to read this into OpenBOM. The past, I had to do a little conditioning, maybe clean up the spaces or take out the dollar sign or something like that. Well, now you don't need to do that. Let me show you how. I'm going to simply import a catalog from my Google spreadsheet. Filter regulator, the one I just showed you, and import it. We do a much better job on import now, and you'll see that my cost column here looks just like it should. It comes in as fully formed cost. The property here is going to be type currency, and all my values are going to be correct and just what I expected. So the headline here is, when you're creating those spreadsheets for import or update, you have a lot more flexibility now around the data types, and I think you'll find that the import is much more reliable. Hope you enjoy it. Love to hear from you at support@openbom.com.